Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be having some seafood boil. It is actually my first time having this. I know I've been living under a rock apparently because I am literally the last person to eat this. But I am so excited. You guys know that every time I record, I'm actually so excited to eat. So I am ready to try this out. So I have some crab here, some lobster, corn, sausage, potato, eggs, shrimp. You guys know how this all goes. And I also have some garlic butter here on the side. I don't even know where to start. Honestly, this lobster, I just have to start here. Look at it. So delicious. So I'm gonna be honest, I hardly eat seafood. Apparently, you guys see on my channel, I rarely do seafood, but look at this. Oh my god. Here, I'm just gonna dip it. Mmm. 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 I'm in seafood heaven. This is so delicious. And I just started. Let me have one of my favorites, which is a shrimp. Mmm. This is actually my first time having crab, so I have no idea what to do here. I've watched videos, of course, and I think I got the gist of it. Okay, I'm just gonna use my scissors to make this easier for me. Please don't murder me in the comments if I'm like so slow at eating this or if I'm doing this wrong. I watch videos. I'm like, oh, that's easy. But I feel like I'm doing it wrong. Mmm. What sauce do you guys like your seafood with? I feel like there's so many sauces to have it with. But which one is your favorite? I'm used to the garlic butter one, because I always have that one. I feel like the only thing this is missing is mussels. I love mussels because they're so easy to eat. You literally just grab it and eat. That's why I hardly have seafood, because like it's, you have to like rip it and break it. Yeah. And I don't even know what I'm doing. But hey, I feel like it's working because I'm getting all the meat out. So yeah, I think I'm doing it right. Whew. But I feel like once I get the gist of all of this and I do it like fast, like these professional seafood eaters, and I'll start enjoying seafood much more. Hmm. Hmm. What's something you guys have never had that's so popular? For me, it's actually crabs. Crabs, oyster, and I've actually never had Cheesecake Factory. What else haven't I had? I think that's it. But sometimes in my videos, you guys tell me that you've never had like what I'm eating. For example, when I had my Wingstop video, got in comments that some people have never tried Wingstop. I'm like, oh my god. I literally wish that you guys like live 5 minutes away from me so I could take you to Wingstop and we could have like a whole feast, because you guys are missing out. But then again, I'm obviously missing out on a seafood boil that it's taken me years to have this. But it's like some food, it's like, oh my god, you guys have to go try it. Damn, I can't break this. Okay, I think I give up on this one. Oh, shit. Actually, next I want to try this with cheese. But I feel like seafood and cheese, it's like not the perfect match, because you have so many good sauces that is meant for seafood. But I mean, I still want to try it out. Ooh, look at this. Yum. I'm actually really sad because I ordered this from a local seafood place. And I'm sad because they only gave me one lobster. Next time I definitely just have to get it from Costco and just add like all that good stuff. There we go. Ooh. I definitely think I'm gonna redo the seafood boil. With more of my favorite stuff. And definitely more lobster tail. Oh my gosh, last time I had lobster was in my last video when I was eating the grilled cheese lobster sandwich that was so delicious. Oh my god, you guys definitely have to try that out. The grilled cheese lobster sandwich, it's gonna change your life, seriously. I'm gonna go ahead and save these for my husband because he will murder me if he finds out I had seafood boil and I didn't save him any, because he has been waiting for me to some seafood boil after I showed him some pictures. Yeah, these are the last of the legs. I actually really enjoy this, and I think I got the hang of cutting these crab legs. So next time I eat this, it should be even better. But I am so glad I finally got to try this out. I feel like everyone and their grandma has had this, so I have no clue why it took me so long, but here we are. Finally, we got to try it. I actually really want to try the deshelled seafood because I feel like, of course, it's just a grab and eat, which is my favorite. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me any suggestions down below in the comment box. As always, I always love to read them. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.